Hello, traders, and welcome back to another episode of Market Update. Today, we're going to take a look at what is the difference between a fundamentals trader versus a technicals trader. As some of you may be familiar, we here at Master the Markets are purely focused on price action trading, a specific branch of technical trading. We can go into all the different reasons that price action trading is one of the most effective across different asset classes and timeframes. But what I'm going to focus on today is to go one step above that and talk about what it means to be a fundamentals trader versus a technicals trader, and how you can really shortcut the process to find out which one is best suited to your specific personality and goals. So let's dive in. Thank you for joining Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. My name is Satvik Vasam, and I am a trader coach here at Master the Markets. So let's dive into the topic for today. What is a fundamentals trader? Simply put, a trader who trades on fundamentals understands the broad economic and financial factors and news that can impact the price of an asset. To effectively trade on fundamentals, a trader would need to keep a close eye on such factors as the Institute for Supply Management's monthly manufacturing and non-manufacturing reports, the Bureau of Labor Statistics total non-farm payroll numbers, the US Census building permits, and the Consumer Sentiment Index, in addition to trade balance and interest rates, and depending on the asset traded, even environmental and weather patterns. As you guys can see here, quite a bit of numbers and probably some that went over many of your guys' head, as it did for me when I first started doing this. This relatively macro approach is how many of the top hedge fund managers have made their money, placing huge, sometimes contrarian bets on a trend before it even shows up on charts. And of course, this approach, as you can imagine, requires a tremendous understanding of the various moving parts and the upstream and downstream synergies of the global economic machine. With ever more news and noise these days, unless a trader learns from a proven professional, it can get hard to separate the important happenings from the tabloid headlines. So this differs from a technical trader. A technical trader is one who analyzes and trades using charts and other quantitative reports on a specific asset, industry, or index. On a funny note, technical traders are the traders who get fed up when their friends and family ask them for a hot or meme stock to buy. We don't mess with those things. So how do you know if you're a fundamentals or technical trader, or some combination of the two? Well, the short answer is you have to experiment. You will never fully know until you actually do each one yourself to find out what is best suited for your temperament and lifestyle. That's exactly how my trading journey went. I spent many months learning about and tracking fundamentals when I realized it just wasn't for me. As I continued to search and experiment, I finally settled on intraday trading, which I now consider my bread and butter, suiting my trading style, interest, and goals. The long answer is if you would like to shortcut your process, which, let's face it, who doesn't, is to schedule an appointment with one of our trader coaches. You can also take our quiz to get a better understanding of your trading personality type. The link will be in the description for this video. You have nothing to lose and perhaps months or years off your trading journey saved. So we hope to see you in one of our appointments coming up soon. And we hope this video helped shed some light on what it means to be a fundamentals or a technical trader. All right, traders, welcome back to the market update for the week ending October 1st, 2021. Can you believe we are already upon Q4 of 2021? Crazy year this year has been, huh? So let's jump into the market update now. starting with Euro USD. As you can see here, we blew past the support at this level, and we're now at the support level from last September, October. So if it does break through this level, we might be exploring new lows or lows that we haven't explored in over a year now. So something to watch for the Euro USD. Next, dollar franc. Still no confirmed top. We're still in that bottom to top move. So it's chugging along towards the upside. Pound dollar bounced off the support level, but still no confirmed bottom yet for the pound dollar. Next, the dollar yen. Dollar yen backed off after a strong move up. We had a double bottom here, moved up, and we have backed off a little bit, but still no confirmed top. No trade yet on dollar yen. On the Aussie dollar, we had a short trigger and we took a couple trades in our live trade room. So something to watch now for the Aussie dollar. It's looking like it might be potentially hitting the previous low, even though it's backed off here. So something to watch if it's going to continue in that direction or it has already hit the low of this move. Next, move to the Euro yen. Top has not been confirmed yet, but it's looking like a single market compression where you have a low, high, a lower low, a higher low, and a lower high. But again, this high, swing high has not been confirmed yet. We're looking out for that. Next, we move to the FTSE. It's looking like we are in a consolidation phase. Relatively choppy on the FTSE. Moving to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We're finding some support at the previous swing low right here. But again, after this sharp move down, we have OE to the upside and downside. So very interesting to watch what will happen next. The US index. Next, we move to commodities, coffee. So far, we are in an established trend breakout. You guys remember one of my previous videos, talk about this, which is you have a low, a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, kind of backed off from this level. But if it breaks through, we're going to be continuing in this established trend. No trade as of yet on coffee. So we're going to be looking out for that if it breaks through this level. All right, so let's move to oil. It has been steadily moving up since mid-August towards the highs from summer of 2018. So we are in uncharted territory for the last couple of years. So very interesting to see what will happen with oil now. Gold backed off the resistance level at around the 1833 level. Still in a bottom to top move. I'm sorry, a top to bottom move. No trade as of yet for gold. And same for silver. Still in a top to bottom move. No trade confirmed as of yet. So that's the market update. Let's move on to the trade performance for our live trade rooms. No trades in our LTR. For the elite room, we had a 1.27% return on the cash in 4.0 100 pips strategy. So overall this week of 1.27% if you're able to take the trade that we did.
Again, these numbers are the actual percentage. So this is not any expected values or back testing numbers, but these are actual returns that we have gotten in our live trade rooms that we share with you if you have joined our programs. So please be on the lookout for these. We are eager to share our knowledge, our process, and hopefully our profits and our returns with you guys as well. Anyways, this is again the market update for the week ending on October 1st. Thank you all for tuning in. Follow your trading plan, stay disciplined, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up,